Hey everyone, welcome back to Prime Vitality. Today I'm sharing the top 5 brain foods you need to supercharge your memory, focus, and overall brain health. No pills, no gimmicks, just delicious, natural foods you can grab at any grocery store. Let's dive in. Our brain burns about 20% of your daily calories, and just like a car, it needs high-quality fuel to run at its best. The foods you eat can influence neurotransmitters, blood flow, and even new neuron growth. These 5 powerhouse ingredients tackle inflammation, oxidative stress, and energy supply for optimal mental performance. First up, blueberries. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants called flavonoids, which protect your brain from free radicals and may improve communication between brain cells. Studies show that regular blueberry consumption can boost memory and even delay brain aging. Simply toss a handful into your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt for a delicious cognitive edge. Next, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, which makes up a major part of your brain's structure. Omega-3s improve synaptic plasticity, which helps neurons connect and communicate more effectively. Aim for 2 servings per week, whether you're grilling salmon fillets or adding canned sardines to a salad. Your brain will thank you. Third on our list is turmeric, the golden spice you often find in curry. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, crosses the blood-brain barrier to reduce inflammation and oxidative damage in the brain. It also boosts production of BDNF, a growth hormone that helps new neurons form. Add a teaspoon to soups, stir-fries, or your morning latte for an easy anti-inflammatory boost. Our fourth brain food is broccoli, one of the richest sources of vitamin K and choline. Vitamin K supports cognitive function, while choline helps with the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter crucial for memory. Lightly steam or roast broccoli florets with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt for maximum flavor and brain benefits. Last but not least, pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are full of magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper, minerals your brain needs to stay sharp. Magnesium regulates neurotransmitters, zinc supports nerve signaling, and iron helps carry oxygen to the brain. Snack on a tablespoon a day, or sprinkle them over salads and soups for an easy nutritional upgrade. To recap, blueberries for antioxidants, fatty fish for omega-3s, turmeric for anti-inflammatory power, broccoli for vitamin K and choline, and pumpkin seeds for essential minerals. Incorporate these into your weekly meal plan, and you'll be fueling your brain for success. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more brain-boosting content. Drop a comment below and let me know which brain food you're trying first. See you in the next video.